This question here, we're going to use the chain rule several times, I think 3 times. First of all, the outermost function is power of minus 2. And then when we tackle the derivative of this part, we'll need chain rule and also here. So let's see how it goes. So f prime of x. Well, this minus 2 is just going to sail to the front. We have all of this stuff in brackets. The power of minus 2, we're going to subtract 1 from it to get minus 3. And then right afterwards, we're going to multiply by the derivative of the stuff in brackets. Let's fill in what we're ignoring, namely sine x squared plus a squared plus the root of x squared plus b squared. Now keep in mind that a and b here are constants, okay? X squared is the variable that we're taking the derivative with respect to. And when we encounter a or b, the derivative of them will just be 0. Looks like I'm a little bit far away here. So that's the first step. The minus 2 came to the... I'm ignoring basically all of this. I'm not even looking at it. The minus 2 comes to the front. I just write down whatever I ignored to the minus 3. Again, I write down what I ignored in brackets with a prime. So the first step is done. We've eliminated this outermost function, and now we have to tackle this derivative. This is the sum of 2 functions, so its derivative is going to be the derivative of this plus the derivative of that. And the derivative of sine of something is not too hard. It's cosine of this times the derivative of that. And how about the derivative over here? Well, the derivative of root anything is 1 over 2 root that thing times the derivative of that thing. So let's see what we have here. I'll just recopy this. A lot of recopying. All right, derivative sine of this, it's cos of that times the derivative of that. Instead of writing x squared plus a squared prime and then doing on the next step, let's just go a little bit faster. What is the derivative of x squared plus a squared? It's easy. It's 2x plus 0, and I'll just write 2x for that. How about over here? Well, the derivative of root anything, it's 1 over 2 root that thing times the derivative of that thing. So x squared plus b squared times the derivative of x squared plus b squared, which is 2x plus 0, or just 2x. Good. Now there's not really any simplifying I can do here. These 2's would cancel. I could put the x up top here, and that's about it. So I'm not going to bottom. And I could bring this to the bottom level. I guess I'll do it, even though it doesn't make it look that much better. So minus 2. I'll put the 2x in front. So 2x cos x squared plus a squared plus x over the root of x squared plus b squared. And this could go to the bottom. It doesn't look that great because we already have a fraction here, but let's just go for it anyways. This kind of question, I'm not really intending you to simplify it because I'm just trying to give a challenging chain rule, and we shouldn't be surprised that it doesn't simplify very nicely. All right, so that's good enough. I'll just stop there, and that's your derivative.